Democrats just shocked Washington with a $370 billion deal to tackle climate change. Let's unpack what's inside and how it'll affect you. First, this sets the US on a track to reduce emissions by 40% by 2030. We need to get to 50%, but that's still a big step. Anyone will be able to claim a $7,500 credit on new electric vehicles. For EVs starting at $28,000, that's over a 25% discount. $68 billion will go to increasing US manufacturing of solar panels, wind turbines, and batteries, making thousands of jobs. $4 billion will go to decarbonizing the postal service and government vehicles. Much of this is being paid by passing a new 15% minimum tax on companies worth $1 billion or more, ensuring that these companies pay their fair share and helping put the world on a more sustainable path. If you want to invest in clean energy projects, sign up for the Climatize app using the link in our bio. And if you want more good climate news like this, give us a follow.